Hi, in today's video we are going to show you how to get into the gun runners without having a flock pick of 50. Just shoot the guards and back up and hide. They'll open the gate to try to find you. And then kill them after they find you, because they'll be enemies. Alright, now we're gonna check out check out my brother's channel. Stunt Maker Please is what it's called. With the robot picture. So today we're gonna show you what's inside the 3 terminals and gun runners headquarters. And the 3 notes in the 1 terminal. Alright, here we go. And I'm actually gonna read them.
Huh?
I'm actually gonna read them out loud.
No, I can read them out loud.
Alright, the first one is...
Say my brother's gonna be saying it.
My brother will be saying what it is, because I cannot talk right today. So, here's the first one.
Sincerely, can we stop calling the Vendatron a Vendatron? Let's give the thing a proper name, like Bob. We're not calling it Bob. We'll vote on it at the end of the week. Please, please, please come up with something decent.
Alright, that's number 1. Now we're gonna camp my car in order. 172.
Missile launcher 7. Missiles 200. We like this order, if possible.
If you're wondering, you can read it on your own.
Situation at the dam requires it. And then persona non grata. One of the Crimson Caravan guards, identified as Robert Wilson, decided it would be funny to take a shot at our Vendatron. He's lucky he didn't get a... Is that 308?
What?
Right there.
0.308.
0.308 through his idiot skull. We're currently nudging Will McCafferty for reputations, but in the meantime, we need to update the Vendatron's relation software to filter out all Crimson Caravan employees. We'll also need to pull some strings over at McCarran and get them temporarily buried from purchasing ammo there as well.
Well, there's the story of what's inside the terminal. Well, this is Austin Schultz doing videos every day.
Is that what I think it is?
Like I said.
Dang.
So, if you want to watch more videos of mine, click right here.
And also check out my channel.
And also check out Stunt Maker Please is his name. I'm not just saying please because I want to. That's his YouTube name. So thank you for watching and have a good night. And subscribe. Goodbye.